We are pleased you've chosen AT&T for your new IP Flexible Reach voice service. This video was created to help you understand the installation steps so that your service can be activated smoothly. IP Flexible Reach is an over-the-top voice-over IP service. This means that IP Flexible Reach requires a digital transport circuit to carry its voice data packets. This video covers the activation process of your IP Flexible Reach voice service, which will take place after the associated transport circuit, whether that circuit is AT&T Dedicated Internet, ADI, or AT&T Virtual Private Network, AVPN, is installed and working. We will focus strictly on the activation of your IP Flexible Reach voice service. Links for instructional videos relating to ADI and AVPN installation can be found below this video screen. The IP Flexible Reach installation process has several milestones for which you will receive email notifications as they are achieved. At any time during this process, if you have questions, please contact the AT&T Business Support Center at 855-263-7647. Our representatives will be available to help you out during business hours. There are a few very important responsibilities that you need to take care of to ensure a smooth activation. First, you need to contact the vendors of any customer premise equipment or CPE that may be impacted by your new IP Flexible Reach voice service. Examples might include a PBX or key telephone system, edge router, point of sale system, alarm, etc. You will likely need modifications or programming to the CPE, so make sure the vendors will be available on the day of activation. With your transport circuit installed and available for use, you can activate your IP Flexible Reach service by contacting the AT&T Activation Hotline at 855-263-7647, option 3, then option 2. Agents are available 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Make sure to have your order information available for reference. The remote AT&T engineer will work with your vendor and activate your service. If you have brand new IP Flexible Reach service with new telephone numbers, you may request an on-demand service activation. If you have existing phone numbers, be aware that your telephone numbers may need to be ported, in other words migrated over to AT&T. AT&T will work with your existing telephone service provider to transfer those numbers. If you're an existing AT&T IP Flexible Reach voice service customer, your telephone numbers will be moved over to the new service. An AT&T representative from our Move team will coordinate this with you. Again, if you have any questions regarding the installation or activation, please contact the AT&T Business Support Center. An AT&T service delivery agent will answer your questions and schedule the activation of your IP Flexible Reach voice service. After your IP Flexible Reach service is activated, you will receive a confirmation email. You can expect to receive your first bill approximately 30 to 45 days after that confirmation. There's a customer service number on the bill that you can call if you have any questions regarding the bill. If you need any help with your IP Flexible Reach service after the service activation has completed, contact the AT&T Technical Support Center at 877-288-8362. Or, if you prefer, you can submit a help request through AT&T Online Express Ticketing. The link is below this video screen. Completing the instructions we've described here will greatly help AT&T in getting your service installed smoothly, on time, and billing accurately. Please check out the other short, informative videos relating to the installation of the AVPN or ADI transport for your IP Flexible Reach voice service. Also linked below this screen is a guide that will help explain in further detail the things you can do to help this installation go smoother. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.